$900. If this is your budget to build the best gaming PC in 2023, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you the best PC components that you can buy under $900. Let's get started. So for the processor, I have chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 5600. This one costs around $139. Now with that price, it's an excellent budget gaming processor. And for the motherboard, I have chosen the MSI B550. This one costs around $139. Now it's an excellent motherboard in this price. You are going to get 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD support, which is currently the fastest on the market. Decent amount of heatsink over the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling. And as this is a B550 series motherboard, you can overclock this processor. Then comes the main components of a gaming PC build, the graphics card. Here we are using the XFX RX 6700 XT. This one costs around $389. This is an excellent mid-range gaming graphics card. You can basically play games at 1440p resolution with high to ultra settings very easily and smoothly. Not only that, you can even try 4K gaming in many titles, so it's an excellent deal. Then for the RAM, you are using the Silicon Power Value Gaming DDR4 16GB. This one costs around $40. Now these are one of the most cheapest DDR4 RAM that you can buy. Those RAMs comes with lifetime warranty, so it's an excellent deal. Then for the SSD, we are using the Western Digital Black 1TB. This one costs around $69. Now this is a PCIe Gen 4 SSD and comes with up to 5000 Mbps read rate, which is excellent for an SSD in this price. Then for the power supply, we are using the Corsair RM750E. This one costs around $99. Now top 3 reasons for choosing this power supply is it is a 80+ gold certified power supply. Second, it is a fully modular power supply, so you can detach all the unnecessary cables, so your cable management will be excellent. And thirdly, it comes with up to 10-year plus warranty, which is an excellent thing. Then for the casing, we are using an Aerocool casing. This one costs around $53. Now this is a very basic, minimalistic and one of the cheapest case on Amazon. It's because casing doesn't affect the performance that much, but casing is completely up to you, buy whichever you like, and all those components will cost you around $934. Thanks for watching.